Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today we had a pretty boring day in the SPY. Okay, you can see this red candle right here. Okay, not much buying pressure came in. It didn't even go and test the 5-day moving average. I did mention to you guys that we could see a relief rally. Okay, we didn't get a big relief rally. Technically speaking, this close is above yesterday's close. Okay, it didn't touch the 5-day moving average, but remember, a lot of time my analysis is not going to be the same day or the next day. Sometimes it take a little time, and sometimes, yes, I could be wrong. Okay, do I still think we'll get a relief rally? Yes, I do. Look where it closed. Okay, it closed right at our support line. Literally right at our support line. Still an update from yesterday, but it closed right on our support line. I mentioned to my Discord members, we need to look at the 463 support. If we lose 463, and I think I mentioned it yesterday as well, that will be a warning. Okay, I mentioned this morning we could be in a choppy, hard to trade phase. Okay, it's going to be a difficult time to trade because it's going to be so choppy. All right, but that's okay. Basing is okay as long as we don't get a sharp push back down to 463. Now I want to ask you guys, did we get a sharp push down to 463? Not really. Okay, we didn't really get that. Okay, so we got a little choppiness, which sucks. Okay, because we wanted to make moves so we can make money. We got reasons why we need to make money. It's not just for the love of money. We have reasons. We got bills. We got family. Whatever your reason is. Okay? But, sometimes the SPY doesn't want to do what we want it to do. The SPY is going to do what the SPY wants to do. It's on us to do what we got to do. Manage risk. Watch the price action. Now, I told you guys yesterday, if we lose 463, then that's a warning sign that we can go down, head down lower to my next price target of 456 to 455, around that zone. Maybe to the 20-day moving average, maybe a little lower. Okay? But as long as 463 holds, I still believe we can get a relief rally at least to the 5-day moving average. Okay? You're going to see when there's a downtrend, you're going to see the 5-day moving average get tested a lot. And in a downtrend, it'll get rejected. Okay? We also have some resistance right here around the 468, a little above 468.5. Okay? So, are you guys bullish? Are you guys bearish? If most of retail traders are bearish, you know what the market maker is going to do. They're going to push it right up. Okay? But we have to let the price action guide us. I know it's tough. We're human. Sometimes we get mad. Sometimes we get sad. Sometimes we get frustrated. But no matter what, we gotta stay calm, and we gotta let the price action guide us. 463, we did not lose it. And I mentioned to you guys yesterday, and I even wrote in the comment section for the video, as long as we have 463, as long as it holds, we can still get that relief rally to the 5 DMA, 5-day moving average. Okay? But besides that, let's take a look at today. We have an inside day candle trade setup. Okay, I told you guys about the inside day, and I recommended you guys to look it up, a few days ago. All right, the last time we had an inside day candle was right here. This was the last inside day candle. This was the mother candle, and I said if it breaks the low of the mother candle, you want to bet to the downside, which it did. And look at that. That trade worked out. If you guys took that trade, you guys should have made money. Now look what we have here. We have another inside day candle trade setup. Remember, just because we don't make money today doesn't mean we can't make money tomorrow. Okay? We got to trade it day by day, level by level. So of course I'm going to say this again. If the mother candle gets broken, right now the mother candle's high is at 467.3. If that gets broken, bet to the upside. The low of the mother candle is at 462. If that gets broken, bet to the downside. We're most likely going to come down to this support level around 460, to the 20-day moving average around 458, or my price target at 456. Okay, guys, stay objective. Don't let your feelings take over you. Stay objective. Watch the chart. Don't worry about your opinion. The market is always right. We're the ones that are wrong. You guys understand? Let's take a look at the VIX. Now you see this blue line right here. I'll make it a little thicker. This one as well. VIX was trading in that range for quite some time, right? Since October 14. Yesterday we had a breakout. Today it closed below the breakout, which makes this a false breakout. Now what's a false breakout? Is it bullish or bearish, guys? A false breakout is very bearish. Okay? They faked us out. And they came and closed right inside the range once again. False breakout. Very bearish. So a bearish VIX is a what for SPY? It's a bullish SPY, guys. Okay? You're looking at this red candle. You're thinking it's a down day. Actually, it's an update from yesterday. We have an inside day candle set up. Something to help us, to guide us or help with our decision making. We also have the VIX giving us a false breakout. Looking bearish. Okay? We see it testing the breakout, the breakdown level, bounce from there, and it closed above the 5-day moving average. But keep in mind, it's still below the 50 and the 200, and it gave us that false breakout. Of course, we're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. A lot of times in the bull trend, in the bull market, on Fridays, it usually gets choppy for most of the days, and then towards the end of the day, they squeeze out all the shorters, all the bears. It's happened many times. Will that repeat tomorrow? Because keep in mind, we are in a bull trend, guys. Overall bull trend. Okay? I have 1, 2, 3 days where it was a down day. Today was a red day, but it was a little bit of an up day. Okay, guys? So our levels are still holding up. Sometimes you can't day trade. Sometimes you have to swing them. Sometimes it takes a few days to hold a position before you can make some profit. You have to have patience. That's why I mentioned the lizard brain yesterday. It's not easy, guys. If it was easy, 90% of traders would not be losing. Okay? But as long as we stay objective, follow the price action, we don't have to be one of the 90%. We can be the top 10%. I believe that. Okay? So, how you guys feeling? You feeling bearish for tomorrow? Bullish for tomorrow? I'm telling you guys this. Watch that 463 support. If we lose it, you got to change your sentiment. If you're bullish, change your sentiment. Because it's not about being right. It's about making profit. You can be wrong with your analysis and still make profit because you were able to be flexible or adapt to the situation or what the price action is telling you. You guys understand? So tomorrow, we lose 463 or we break the low of this mother candle right here, bet to the downside. We break the mother candle's high, bet to the upside. Okay, guys? And make sure you always set a stop loss. You can trail your stop loss, whatever you choose to do. Either way, you got to manage risk. No trend stay bullish or bearish forever. Okay? No strategy is 100%. But you, the star of the show, because I'm just your assistant, but you, the star of the show, can still manage your risk. This is a business, guys. Okay? And in the business, it's going to be some risk involved, right? This is not a job where you get a paycheck every week. This is a business. You guys understand what I'm saying? You guys understand the mentality? Either way, I believe in you guys. And let's see what happens tomorrow, okay? Let's let the price action talk for us. And whatever it chooses to say and do, we're going to follow it. All right? So one more time, 463 is the equilibrium. If we lose that, bet to the downside. If it still holds, that keeps the 5-day and the relief rally still in play. Okay? We also have an inside day candle trade setup. All right? If you don't know what that is or understand what I'm saying, please Google it. But what I'm telling you right now, to trade an inside day candle, you got to watch either the high or the low of the mother candle. Whatever one get broken, the high, you bet to the upside. The low, you bet to the downside. Okay? Said that about 3 to 4 times already. I hope you guys get it. Okay? So that's the SPY and that's the VIX. All right. Look at that. False breakout. How many times have you guys seen a false breakout and then it continue to go be bearish? Okay. Bearish price action. All right, guys. Now let's move on to the triple Q. Triple Q didn't even touch the 5-day moving average. Okay. Came down and closed just above the 13-day. So it's still above this support level. If we lose it, you can look to the 20-day moving average as the next buying opportunity, or you can short it down to the 20-day moving average. Okay? If it still holds, we can get that relief rally either back to the 5 DMA or up here, where this also was an inside day candle. Okay? And keep in mind, like the SPY, triple Q also have an inside day candle. An inside day candle is a strategy that I've used many times and made money off of it. I believe you guys can too, okay? As long as you stay patient, stay objective, and allow the chart to guide you. Allow the price action of the chart to guide you. Okay? So we have a trade setup. Inside day candle. Right here on triple Q as well, alright? So the high of the mother candle is 395.3 and the low is 387.5. Either one of those break, you know what to do. I already said it was SPY. Same thing with triple Q. If it breaks this high, bet to the upside. Breaks this low, bet to the downside. All right? Either way, you can make money. It doesn't matter if you bullish or bearish. Just let that go and follow the price action. All right? Keep it that simple. It does not have to be complicated. Trading is hard, but it doesn't have to be complicating. All right, guys? Moving on to ARKK. And look at that. Also, an inside day candle. All right? Inside day candle seem to be the theme today. All right? So, I'm going to do the same thing with the SPY and the triple Q. Watch the mother candle, what it chooses to do. All right? If you do get a rejection at the 5-day moving average, that's a bearish sign, okay? So, if you don't want to trade the inside day candle, you can always watch the moving averages. All right? If it gets rejected, the 5 DMA, possibly the 20 DMA right there, that's around 120 to 120.5, can look to short, because right now, the way the moving average is set up, it's pretty bearish, okay? Also, I want to mention this inverted head and shoulder pattern right here, okay? Now, this is a bullish pattern. However, this doesn't mean just buy right now, okay? I'd rather you guys wait for the neckline to be broken, which is around here, around 120.5, around there. Okay, it's not perfect, but in my opinion, or you can wait for ARKK to get back above all moving average. Okay, moving average, the highest one is the 13-day at 121.5. You can wait for that. Wait for ARKK to get back above all moving average, and then you can ride it up to 124, 126, then 132. Those are my price target. Okay, remember, this is a potential. All right, I got a question mark right here next to the right shoulder because we don't know if it's going to be a right shoulder just yet. All right, when we start seeing buying pressure and ARKK get back above all moving average, 121.5 is the price that I'm looking at. I will be bullish and I'm going to bet to the upside. And I am confident that we will get to my 126 price target and then 132. Okay, guys, keep it that simple. There's no need to force a trade. There's really no need. Okay, if you're sitting there trading and you feel that your fingers getting itchy because you want to take a trade that's not really there, I don't watch some YouTube. Learn some new trade setup. Okay, I'm going to make my technical analysis video this weekend, but until then, maybe check out some other technical analysis video. Or maybe just watch random videos about cats. I don't know, guys, whatever you're into. Okay, guys, either way, my advice is do not take a trade if the setup is not there. Okay, guys? So the scenario I'm watching for ARKK is you can either use the inside day candle, wait for the high of the mother candle to get broken to bet to the outside, or the low to get broken to bet to the downside, or you can wait for ARKK to get back above all the moving averages and ride the wave up to the next price target, 126 to 132, because this looks like a inverted head and shoulder pattern, which is bullish. Okay, guys, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a sell-off yesterday, It came back to retest the breakout level, which is bullish. However, Bitcoin's having a choppy day so far. It ran right into the 5-day moving average, and it got rejected there. That is a bearish price action. So we really need to see Bitcoin get back above 65.4K. That's where the 5-day moving average is currently. Okay, guys, if we break that, Bitcoin is going to head up to my next price target at 71K, and it's going to be amazing. If not, and it continue to reject it there, we could head lower. This could end up being a false breakout. If it's a false breakout, you guys got to either cut your loss or take profit. Okay? But if you're long term and you're going to hold Bitcoin for the next 10, 20 years or whatever, then who cares what I'm saying right now? This is a technical analysis video. You have no use for me. Okay, guys? If you're an investor. This is for people who want to trade. This is for the short term to medium term traders like myself. All right, guys? So that's what I have today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck tomorrow, and I'll see you all soon.